Anuj and Akash start from the same point in their respective cars. Anuj drives 7 kilometers to the south. I'm going to mark this out. North, south, east, west. Anuj drives 7 kilometers to the south. Then turns right and drives 5 kilometers. He turns right and drives 5 kilometers before turning left and driving 3 kilometers. Remember, if he's facing like this, turning right would be like this. From here, turning left would be like this. Imagine shape like this, turning left. Looking down, turning right. The direction decides what is right and left. Another 3 kilometers. Now, this is what Anuj just done. So, Anuj sits here. Think about Akash. Akash moves 4 kilometers to the east. Turns right and drives 10 kilometers. Goes here. Turns right and drives 10 kilometers. How far apart are they now? Think about it. This is a starting point. Let's say O. This is Akash here. This is 10 kilometers. Anuj just driven 7 in this direction plus 3. 10 totally. This 10. So they should be at the same level on the south. 10 kilometers south of where they started. Anuj has gone 5 kilometers east. This distance is 5 kilometers. Akash has gone 4 kilometers east. Anuj has gone 5 kilometers west. Sorry. Akash has gone 4 kilometers east. They're both to the south by the same distance, or the distance they are apart is 9 kilometers. They are on the same horizontal line. This 10 is 7 plus 3. At this axis, they are 9 kilometers apart.